Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now we're writing alphabets. Vivid purple color. Kids, the next one is yellow green color, black color, geranium color, and the next one is deep olive green color, emerald green color, forest green color, Persian blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Baby blue color, cream color, exactly, scarlet color, and the last one is pastel pink color. Let's start writing capital letter alphabets. A, B, C, D. Exactly, now we're writing E. And the next one is F, F for fish. So kids, now we're using the color of forest green. The alphabet of G. The next one is H. Now we're writing I, J, K, L, L for lemon, geranium color, M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. Thank you so much for watching.